Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix CarPlay not working after the iOS 18 or 26 update. Let's get started right away, no time waste. Method 1. Refresh network settings with airplane mode. The first and easiest fix is to refresh your iPhone's network settings. For that, open the control center, turn airplane mode on. Wait for a few seconds, then turn airplane mode off. This refreshes your Wi-Fi, mobile data, hotspot, APN and VPN settings, which may fix CarPlay issues instantly. Method 2. Make sure CarPlay is allowed in screen time. Sometimes CarPlay is restricted under screen time settings. Here's how to check. Open the Settings app. On the Settings, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Again, scroll down and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure it's turned on. Tap Allowed Apps and Feature. Look for CarPlay and make sure it's enabled. If it's off, toggle it on to allow CarPlay to function properly. Method 3. Forget and repair your car. If your CarPlay still isn't working, try removing your car and pair it again. For this, open the Settings app, swipe down and tap General. Now find and tap on CarPlay. Tap on your car's name and select Forget this car. Wait a few seconds, then repair it using a USB cable first and switch to wireless if supported. This helps resolve connection glitches. Method 4. Make sure Siri is enabled. CarPlay needs Siri to work, especially for voice commands. Here's how to enable Siri. Open the Settings app. On the Settings, find and tap on Siri and search. Tap on it. Now go to Talk to Siri. Ensure these three options are turned on. Listen for Hi Siri, press side button for Siri, and allow Siri when locked. Now enter your iPhone passcode if prompted. Also tap on language and make sure it matches your preferred language. If you are in a region with limited car supported, consider switching your region under Settings, General, Language and Region. Method 5. Reboot your iPhone. A simple reboot can fix many software glitches. Here's how to do a forced restart. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Next, press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side power button until you see the Apple logo. Let your iPhone restart, then try using CarPlay again. That's it friends. I hope one of these methods fixed CarPlay for you. If it worked, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.